Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a beautiful bright blue metallic 1977 Chevrolet Corvette. This Corvette has T-tops, quite apparent, and lots and lots of upgrades. The last two previous owners have taken care of this car like crazy. Have done a lot of upgrades. You see the interior's redone, recovered, newer carpet. Retro sound stereo, upgraded retro sound stereo. You also see your Vette computer there, and we'll get to that in just a second. All right, let's stay inside. Tilt wheel, telescopic wheel. 6-speed Richmond transmission with overdrive. Very freeway friendly gears. You can get up on it if you want to, and you can lay low if you wish as well. Battery in the back there has a cutoff. T-tops slide on and off with these, and each of those have their own separate covers. Nice. Crate 350, and this is a fuel injected engine with the Chevy orange dress up kit. Looks awesome. You probably heard when we were pulling in the fans kick on. Another upgrade, cold blowing air conditioning. L88 style hood. And again, that beautiful light blue metallic paint looks good. Big fat BFGs on all fours, 4-wheel disc brakes. I mean, this thing's loaded. You really have to go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out the detailed description that we have just to get all of the finer points. Also, hang out at the end of the video. I have stills of the interior, the engine compartment, the undercarriage, which is spotless, so you can get a better idea of what's happening here. 52,392 actual miles in this beautiful Corvette. Once again, tons and tons of information on our website. Make sure you go to that. Check out all the pictures that we have. Again, cruisinclassicsinc.com is our website. 614-276-7355 is our phone number. Give us a call with any questions you have about this car or any of the others that we have in stock. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and please subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.